CAR-T has changed the treatment landscape of multiple myeloma. It has been very transformative and patients have done very well with the CAR-T treatment. Having said that, there is still a certain unmet area or unmet group of patients who have not derived significant benefit as other patients. For example, patients with high-risk disease, patients with extramedullary disease, patients who are much older, the patients with comorbidities. They probably haven't derived the same benefit. Particularly the patients with high-risk disease are something, they do respond, but they don't, the response don't last that long. Number one. Number two, the safety of the CAR is still a concern because in the CRS and ICANS, though we are better at managing it, but it still can happen, especially in patients with the higher disease burden. The current manufacturing, time it's also a problem because especially you have a higher disease burden, patients rapidly relapsing, have no time to wait. You can't wait for 6 weeks for that. So I think because of that, and lastly, CAR is still not curative in myeloma. You have a prolonged responses, durable responses for large number of patients, but it's still not curative. There is no plateau yet. So I think multiple reasons that we need to have a better CAR. We need to have a next generation CAR, something that you can give safely and also very, very effective, potentially curative potential. And lastly, can also overcome this logistical challenge of manufacturing and the wait time and all those stuff.